Hey y'all, super quick backstory. A couple of our friends scored an amazing deal to spend an entire week at the brand new Méridien Maldives. They brought back some fantastic footage that I put together for them, so I hope you enjoy this vicarious adventure. The resort is about a 30-minute seaplane flight from Malé, with picture-perfect views along the way. Once you have safely landed, the seaplane drops you off directly at the resort entrance to check in. There are many different room types at this resort, including both overwater and beach bungalows. Let's go check out the sunrise and sunset villas. First up is the Sunrise Villa Overwater Bungalow. The bed looks directly out to the ocean, which we'll get to in a second. Our friends were celebrating their 10-year anniversary, and the staff had delivered macarons and champagne as a welcome treat for them. The porch includes a bistro table, loungers, and a cool hammock area suspended over the water, plus a direct access ladder. Back inside, there is a beverage station, a clothes closet, and a water closet, and a gorgeous bathroom with a shower and tub area which overlooks the water. Now let's head over to the Sunset Villa, which our friends got upgraded to. The room layout is exactly the same as the Sunrise Villa, it's just mirrored, and it's facing the opposite end of the resort. The major difference is that this room comes with a private plunge pool on the balcony with a stunning view of the sunset. Let's talk about food. There are 4 main restaurants on the property, along with a few smaller cafes and snack bars. Turquoise is the restaurant where the resort serves the main breakfast buffet, along with lunch and dinner. There's a large variety of food choices, including Maldivian specialties, curries, pastries, dumplings, fried rice, and noodles. Next up is Villa, which is located next to the main family pool area. Vila is a relaxed bar during the day with dinner service in the evenings. They specialize in seafood and grilled meats. Favorites included the grilled grouper, lobster and tuna tartare, plus many rounds of fish tacos on the beach. The Riviera restaurant overlooks the adult pool and serves poolside snacks along with lunch and dinner. Sliders with truffle fries and chorizo were the snacks of choice here. And finally, Tabmasu, which is the Japanese restaurant on the property. Here we have the tuna maki and the spicy yaki udon. I have to give a massive thank you to my friends for capturing and sharing this amazing footage with us. The Maldives looks like an unreal place to visit, and I cannot wait to go there one day.